Unfolding the Language of Law, Exploring Legal Document Writing in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore an important topic in the realm of formal writing, the fascinating world of legal documents. This is where English language becomes meticulous, precise, and oh so formal. You'll soon realize that the language used in these documents is different from what we use in our day-to-day conversations, or even in many other formal settings. So, let's delve into it. In the simplest terms, legal documents are written records that outline legal obligations or rights. They can be as brief as a single-page contract or as comprehensive as a multi-chaptered legislation. Common examples include contracts, wills, legislation, court rulings, and so on. The language used in these documents is notably precise, formal, and complex. Legal writing is marked by certain distinctive traits. 1. Clarity and precision. Legal documents must clearly define rights, responsibilities, and conditions to prevent ambiguity. 2. Formality. Legal writing avoids casual language, slang, and contractions. 3. Complex sentences and vocabulary. This includes the use of legal jargon and terms, often derived from Latin. 4. Passive voice. Unlike most English writing advice, legal writing often prefers the passive voice. Let's dissect the language used in legal documents. 1. Legal terms. Words like herein, whereas, aforementioned, and pursuant to are often found. These words, while not common in day-to-day English, have specific meanings in legal contexts. 2. Formal structures. Phrases often start with, "It is agreed that, in witness whereof," or "this agreement shall," to provide the necessary legal binding. 3. No contractions. Isn't, don't, won't, and similar contractions are not used. Instead, the full form is always preferred. 4. Passive voice. Sentences are often structured in passive voice. For example, the agreement was signed by both parties instead of both parties signed the agreement. In our future videos, we'll do a deep dive, analyzing legal documents to understand their structure and language. This will give you a practical understanding and feel of how these documents are written and how to interpret them. That's a wrap for our introduction to the language of legal documents. We hope this has given you a solid understanding of the complexity and precision involved in this area of English language use. Remember, mastering legal English requires practice and patience. So, don't get overwhelmed, keep learning, and see you in our next video, where we start dissecting real legal documents. Happy learning!